Okay, folks, so we're going to use this gold ball, and I really do mean the gold ball this time, and not a substitute, to open up the side ribs here by the shoulder. Most of us have, let's say we slump, so we pull these ribs down. Some people, they contract when they do exercise, whether it's weights or maybe it's even Pilates. There are certain actions that people do that pull themselves down into their waist. And so we want to actually free our waist. We want the ribs up here and the waist here. And so sitting in itself will actually start to have gravity pull our ribs down. Maybe we're slumping as we do that, but even just that action of gravity pulling us pulls our ribs down. So we're going to free our ribs. We're going to do one side and then we're going to do the other side and see the difference. Okay, this is a very simple exercise. I recommend you do it standing, but you will see less of me if I'm doing it standing. Okay, so I'm going to take the ball into one arm, so in my left arm in this case, and I'm taking the ball into the armpit and I'm taking my elbow around. So now I want you to see that there's a little bit of the ball in the front. You won't be able to see the back, but if you put it back too far, the ball will pop out. So get it so that it's coming into the front a little bit and have your shoulders shrugged down and back and your forearms over the front. You're going to hold your hand palm facing up, pulling it towards the midline. Okay, so not palm facing down, not anything but palm facing up so that you get the forearm there and your shoulders shrugged down and back. And you're going to inhale into the ball. So your breath goes outward into the ball. And then you're going to exhale out your mouth and you're going to pull the elbow down, which is pulling the ribs down, and pull the hand inward, which is pushing the ball into the ribs. Okay, then you're going to take another deep breath into the ball. Exhale, pull the elbow down and the hand across. Now, you're going to do the same thing again on the same side. You're going to take your arm out, put the ball into the armpit again, so it might go in there a little bit more this time. Shrug the shoulder down and back. Ball's popped forward a little bit. Inhale into the ball. Exhale. Elbow comes down, hand comes across. Inhale again. Exhale, elbow down, hand across, and you're holding it in. Okay. Take it out and just feel that arm. Then go with the other side. Okay, so there's probably a different constriction on one side than there is on the other. This probably feels a lot freer. And you're probably surprised that that little bit can do a lot. All right, so we're going to go on the other side. Now we're going to take the ball in the armpit, having the ball poofed forward slightly. Shrug the shoulder down and back. Inhale into the ball. Exhale, elbow down, hand across. Inhale into the ball. Exhale, elbow down, hand across. Okay, we're going to take our arm out again, take it up, put the ball in again, poof forward slightly, shrug the shoulder down and back. Inhale into the ball. Exhale, elbow down, hand across. And those are really my ribs pushing outward on the ball, making my shoulder go up. Inhale into the ball. Exhale, elbow down, hand across. Hold it there and release. Okay. Now, feel that, feel that. And then when you stand up, I want you to stand up. You won't see me if I do that. So stand up and I want you to feel how you feel different in your body. It may have released a lot. So if you couple this with the chest opener and the neck opener, then you can have just a simple little thing to release your upper body from the front in the morning and from the sides. Another thing you could do is do that exercise and after the first side, breathe out into the side and then breathe out into the other side and notice the difference. Okay, so try it again and try that. Have a nice day.